Hi, this is Wasim from Ask an IFRS Expert. Let's discuss something about IFRS 15, revenue from contract. Can anybody tell me that how many conditions you have to meet to qualify and to book the revenue in your books of accounts? Please write it in the comments. Anyways, uh, now I'm going to discuss only how to determine the price. This is one of the criteria which we have to test to book any revenue. Most of the CFOs face problem and make mistakes that they do not record the correct income. So first of all, you have to identify the contract and see the contract that what are the obligations you have to perform, and accordingly you have to book the price. In this consideration, there can be various options which you could have faced. The first one is variable consideration, which means a rebate or discount you are offering. Another one is financing option. Another one is barter transaction or non-cash consideration, and these and there are some others. So you have to see that which area you are dealing and testing to book your revenue from the contract. Let's discuss practically that if you are a CFO, how you can deal this in the given example. Choose your correct answer, write it in the comment box, and share this video with the students and with those who want to learn IFRS. If you are looking for a detailed training from me, you can contact me on the given number. Thank you very much for watching the video. Take care. Bye bye.